Do you know about the VIX index, also called the fear index? The VIX is like a market mood detector. It measures implied volatility, which is how much traders expect the S&P 500 to move in the next 30 days. If traders expect big swings, the VIX goes up. It means the market is nervous. If they expect small moves, the VIX goes down. It shows that the market is calm. Some interesting facts about VIX. During the COVID-19 crash in 2020, the VIX shot above 80, which was extreme fear. In very calm markets, the VIX can even drop below 12, showing extreme confidence. So through this video, I'm trying to show what VIX is, how to read it, and how investors use it to understand market risk. So what is VIX? The VIX stands for Volatility Index, and it comes from the Chicago Board Options Exchange. It measures how much traders expect the S&P 500 to move over the next 30 days based on options prices. But why options prices? Because when traders buy and sell options, they are showing how much movement they expect in the market. High VIX means fear and caution in the market. Low VIX means there is a confidence and calm in the market. So think of the VIX like a thermometer for market emotions. So what do different number means for VIX? VIX is expressed in points like 15, 20, 35, 40. So in general, here is how most investors read these points. If it is below 15, it means that it's a very calm market. If the range is between 15 to 20, it's a normal range. Between 20 to 30, market nervousness is rising. And above 30, it's a high fear and market is very volatile. The important thing to know about VIX is the average VIX over the last 10 years is around 18 to 20. It shoots up above 40 usually when there is a market crisis. Let's try to understand VIX through a very simple example. Imagine the VIX is 15 today. This means traders expect the S&P 500 to move about 15% annualized if we scale the 30-day implied volatility. In the short term, that's a calm market and investors feel confident. Now imagine that some bad economic news comes out and the VIX jumps to 35. This shows traders expect big swings in the market and investors start to get fearful and the market may become choppy in the short term. So again, higher VIX means a bumpier ride ahead. So how to read a VIX chart? The VIX moves up and down like a stock price. If it spikes, it means sudden fear or panic. If it drops, it means confidence and stability in the market. Let's check some historical example. During the 2008 financial crisis, VIX almost hit 80. And during COVID crash in 2020, VIX hit almost 82. During the normal calm market, VIX stays around 12 to 18. But as a beginner investor, just remember, sudden jump in VIX, it means market could be rocky. And falling VIX means market is relaxing. That's what to remember as a beginner investor. So in day-to-day, how investors use VIX number? In general, investors use the VIX to adjust risk. High VIX means they may hold cash or safer assets. Low VIX means they feel confident to invest normally. Also, day traders and hedge funds sometimes trade the VIX directly using ETFs, futures or options to profit from volatility. But for beginners, use VIX as a warning signal, not as a trading tool. So to sum it up, the VIX doesn't predict market direction. It just tells us how bumpy the ride might be. If you are just starting out, check the VIX before making big decisions. It's one of the simplest tools to understand market fear and confidence. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. This video is made only for informational purposes.